In this module, Jeff and I explained what the 20% project is and how it can completely change the course of your high school career, as well as who you are as a manager, artist, leader, and even human being. Which brings us to the action item for this module, figuring out how the 20% project can be custom tailored to work for you. In the section below, I've listed out some of the benefits that the 20% project can bring to college applications and your personal life. We've got nurturing passions, improving rec letters, attaining legitimacy, differentiating yourself from other applicants, feeding your intellectual curiosity, and developing your project management skills. But now, what I want you to figure out is which of these priorities and benefits is most important to you, and how might you leverage your 20% project to achieve them. For instance, let's say that you have a few science awards at the school level, but you're really lacking strong relationships with your teachers and you're worried that you don't have any. For this activity, I want you to go to the recommendations letter row, check it, then as a reminder and commitment to yourself, explain how you're going to achieve that with your project. For example, I might put, I will involve teacher X and Y by asking them for advice on how to grow soybeans using various soil compounds so that we can discuss after class. You guys already know what I'm gonna say. The more specific, the better. Alternatively, if your resume is missing a little, perhaps you wanna spend a little bit more time considering how to make your project more legit. In that case, you might write down, one of my primary goals is to collect high-profile coverage or partner with an existing organization in my community. Note that there are several ways to achieve legitimacy. To one student, it might look like getting featured on the local news. To another, it might look like receiving some service award and getting recognized for their work. You might want to focus on one or two of these objectives, or maybe tackle a combination of all of them. Whatever the case, the project is designed to be customized for your individual situation and fill whatever gaps you might want to fill. No matter what you do with the 20% project, you're going to have competing priorities due to limited time. So it's critical at this stage to decide what priorities matter the most to you so that you can ensure you dedicate the necessary time to them.